Well, I'm about to start this Street Fighter, the final fight. Let's see how this goes. Alright. A lot different. Yeah, I suppose this is the first Street Fighter game. Target versus Ken. See how this goes. Okay. X, Y. Okay, this is how to jump. Oh, no. Oh my gosh. Try to get used to these controllers. I mean, back in the days, I mean, yeah, we would call this, the graphic on this, yeah, it's a much different than now and how back then was using it. But kids nowadays, they'll probably don't even understand like this. They're probably like, oh, it's horrible. But for me, I think this is actually not too bad because I did play these type of games. As far as the controllers, it's just X, Y, up in the arrow, something simple. At first, I thought it was gonna be one of those actual like I'm gonna be fighting with other characters or computer, but it seemed like I'm in a, I don't know, like I'm fighting a boss or something like that. But try to let's keep getting. Yeah. Wow. I just keep dying. The connection between this game and more recent ones, there's not much of a connection. I mean, compared to the ones that's out right now, is of course, yeah, a lot different in the story mode and thing, you know, when it comes in that nature. But it leads off to like, you know, the other kind of Street Fighter games, suppose, or some kind of like sort of correlation to that. Yeah, then there's like other Street Fighter games, other like special edition as well. So I'm trying to get on top. Oh my gosh, I'm horrible. Forgot to play PC. The mechanics, yeah, it's not the best, but I'm just trying to get used to it. Like how to throw, I know it's like a fireball or something, like I know I can get this part down. So I'm trying to like, come on. I just keep dying. I don't know, like compare this to other games as well. I feel like you're just more stationed because, you know, the type of fighting games I like is like more of a you're free fighting and you're not like in a set stance or whatnot. Dang, almost had him. Yeah. Oh my gosh.